Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Hakass Technology. Today we are going to learn how to get the current date and the current time on Microsoft Excel. But before we work on that, you see the subscribe button over there. You hit on it to get updates from Hakass Technology and to get more on Microsoft Excel, Word or anything of course. So let's get on the PC and let's get started. So I'm having something over here. Now I just want to get my dates and my time on Microsoft Excel. So I'll open a fresh page in Microsoft Excel here. This I'm having it here. So I just want to get the date right here. So date without the VBA, just type equal to sign and type today. You see, you open the bracket and you close it. You hit on enter. See, today that's the date. Today being 26th of August 2021. You can format this cell to get more of what you want to do. So I'll come to, let me go back. I'll come to home. I'll go to this, I'll check this. And I can see, I can take it to be today being Wednesday. I can take this format, I can take that, any one that you want to pick. So I prefer this Wednesday March. I want to know the day. So I'll hit on OK. You see my date is here. Very, very nice. So you can write here date. So now let's get on how to get our time. How to get a time on Excel. So I write here, say time. I want my time to also appear here. So I'll press equal to sign and I'll type now, and I'll close it. I'll hit on enter. See, the time is over here. But I don't want this format. I will have to change it to different format. I want to get the time very well. So when you go back, you see numbers, you see something over here. Click on date, no. So you click on the caster. So you can have it over here. See that day, month, year. Can have the time. I want to see whether it's PM or AM. So I'll select this one. Now click on OK. So you see it over here. The time is 2:32. Automatically Excel will be reading from your system the date and the time on your system. So if you realize the date and the time is not correct, then you have to update or you have to check your time and just set it to correct before you can work on this. So you can see it's very, very simple. My date is here, my time is here. So anytime that I'll enter something, I'll edit my Excel, automatically the date will also be updated. So that's how it works. So enter something over here, press enter to update it. I can even change it to the seconds. So let me go back there. I want to see the seconds and everything there. So you see it. When I enter something over here, check it. See the time that I entered, the last time I edited this page was 2:33, 23 seconds. So something over here, enter something. Okay, so basically this is how to get our date and our time on Microsoft Excel. So subscribe. I hope you find this video very, very useful. You subscribe to my channel and you get more updates on Microsoft Excel and more and many more. You can get updates, Word and everything. So thank you for watching. You're welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.